Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Xtreme 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how you can easily create a stereo pair with your speaker. At first you need to have two same models of JBL. So here I've got JBL Xtreme 5, you need to have the another one the same to play music in the stereo pair. So at first scroll all the way down to the product information and make sure, okay, it's not here. So I thought that here we've got this AirTouch, but that doesn't matter. Just tap here, stereo group, and now wait till the second speaker is recognized by the app. You need to have both speakers connected to your phone and set up with the app. That's it. Goodbye.